This man tried to do basic math, but he was absolute trash at it. He wrote the first problem down on his paper, but had no idea what the answer could be. Even using his fingers, he couldn't figure it out, so instead, he started doing jutsus. Then he pulled out an abacus and began sliding the beads left and right, until, by pure accident, he got the right answer. Relieved, he wrote it down and moved on to the next question, which was definitely harder than the last. So once again, he was completely lost. But then, an idea. He opened his drawer and pulled out a calculator, placing it on the table. Then he opened another drawer and took out 2 more calculators, placing them beside the first one. Then he smashed the third calculator with a hammer, leaving only 2, which turned out to be the answer to the question. Now he had reached the final and hardest question. He opened the last drawer of his desk and took out 4 marbles, counting them slowly. He also grabbed a mirror, which doubled the number of marbles. As he brought the mirror close to his hand, he poured the real marbles into his hand to try to find the final answer. But suddenly, the mirror started vibrating, and when he picked it up, it was pointing at his marbles. He wanted them back before the mirror could do anything weird, so he pushed the marbles back through the mirror so he could count them again and write down the solution. Satisfied, he and the mirror gave each other a high five, but then the mirror started bleeding, so he shoved all the remains into the trash and wiped off his hand. When suddenly, a bonus question appeared. He wrote it down and found the answer easily, but when he pressed the pen to the paper, a strange force began to build, stronger and stronger, until a weird scribble appeared as the answer. He gave himself an A+ anyway. So, if you think you could have answered the questions, like and subscribe.